Hello everyone. Today we will learn about life process. Life process is defined as the process which are performed in our daily life. So that may be the respiration, excretion, internal transport, reproduction, nutrition, growth, etc. So, the activities which are performed by the living organisms for their survival is known as the life process. So, plants and animals take food to continue their life. So, it comes under the nutrition, and we grow day by day by taking those nutrition which comes under the growth, and plants and animals respire to continue their life which comes under the respiration. Similarly, plants and animals both reproduce and do excrete also. So this is the some points about the life process. So we will gonna discuss more now. So I have told you that the activities which are performed by the living organisms for their survival is known as the life process. And some of the life process are nutrition, growth, internal transport, excretion, reproduction, etc. So in the further slides we will describe more. So let's move on. So nutrition means all the living organisms need food to survive. So plants take different water, mineral for the growth and development. Plants go in a search of the food. So I have categorized the nutrition in the two types. They are the autotrophic and the heterotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition means the type of the nutrition in which they can prepare their food by themselves. For example, plants. Plants can prepare their own food by themselves with the help of a chlorophyll, which is present in a leaves. And about the heterotrophic nutrition is a type of the nutrition in which they cannot prepare the food themselves, so they depend on plants for the food. For example, animals. In animals also there are the herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, etc. So the living beings needs food for their survival. So respiration, that means the process in which the digested food combines with oxygen to release energy is known as the respiration. Plants and animals respire throughout the day and night in order to get energy. They take oxygen from atmosphere. The oxygen reaches every cell of an organism through the internal transport system. So what is internal transport system? The system in which the nutrients are carried from the one place to the another is known as internal transport. For example, in our body, that is in the human beings, in our body, there is a blood which carries the essential nutrients from one part to the another part. So this is known as the internal transport. And after that, the oxygen reaches every cell of an organism through the internal transport system. Then the digested food is supplied to each and every cell through the transport system. The oxygen reacts with the food in the mitochondria of a cell. In this process, digested food burns with the oxygen and release energy, carbon dioxide and water. So animals breathe out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. But in the plants, they utilize that carbon dioxide which was exhaled by animals that are used by the plants for the photosynthesis. So this process balances the amount of the oxygen and the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And about breathing means breathing takes place in the animals, and in this process the oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled. So here I have given some picture. So animals like a chicken, that they breathe through lungs, fish through gills, caterpillar through spiracles. And in the plants, they respire through small pores which are present in their leaves, which is known as the stomata. Now, excretion means the removal of the waste material from our body. So, in the different animals, there are different excretory organs too. So in this living organisms, in the plants, they excrete the useful substances like resin, gums, latex, etc. And the excretory system of the human beings consists of the kidney, ureter, and the urinary bladder. Also, the skin is also known as excretory organ, which helps to excrete the sweat from our body. Also, the body gets rid of the salt, urea, water through the sweat. And similarly, the animal remove the waste material, that is the feces, through the anus. So internal transport, I think I have already told you about this internal transport. So living organisms carry away the different substances from the one part to the another part of the body, especially the nutrients. So in the animals, there is blood which also transports the necessary nutrients from the one part to the another part of the body. And in the plant, there is a xylem and phloem. Xylem transport the water and minerals from the root to the root system, and the phloem transport the prepared food from the leaves or from the root system to the all over the plant body. So reproduction means yes, the living organisms reproduce their own kinds to continue their generation. So here is a fetus developing inside the mother's womb. And this is the picture of a bryophyllum in which the new life is coming out from the mother plant. So this is the picture of about the binary fission in the amoeba, in which the daughter cells are formed from the mother cells, and from the one mother cells there forms the two daughter cells with the help of the binary fission. And this is the development of the new hydra, and this process is known as budding, in which a small bud is appears in the mother hydra. You can see in the picture number, in the initial picture, you can see the small bud is arising from the mother hydra. Then after the bud continue to growth, then after it will form the new hydra, and after the getting the suitable condition, the new hydra, that means the baby hydra, will detach from the mother hydra and it lives freely. And this process is known as the budding. So these are the references from which I have took the pictures for this video. Thank you.